with the continuous development of technology and rapid modernization. The field of construction design also needs to continuously develop to meet the needs and preferences of each individual. This process always requires improvement and integration of modern features into the living space. Therefore, many design styles have been created to fully meet functions and preferences, from minimalist to colorful, classic to modern. This process usually includes two main stages: structural renovation and interior decoration. Structural renovation will evaluate factors that do not meet current usage needs to come up with solutions to fix and repair them. This not only overcomes aesthetic problems, but also ensures the safety, efficiency, and sustainability of the project. At the same time, it also prepares a solid foundation for future decoration steps. To create a living space that is both aesthetic, comfortable, and suitable to the homeowner's preferences. Interior decoration not only focuses on appearance, but also ensures the functionality and comfort of the space. For example, repainted walls will eliminate mold, prevent moisture, and at the same time, it also helps make the space look new and more aesthetic. Each color can evoke different emotions and moods. Therefore, the choice of paint color not only affects the overall aesthetic, but also affects the mood and feeling of the user. With gentle neutral colors that are often associated with luxury and modernity. It is not too prominent, but brings a delicate beauty that is suitable for many different design styles. In addition to aesthetic highlights, these colors also bring a feeling of peace and relaxation. Therefore, it is often popular in spaces that need relaxation, such as bedrooms or living rooms. Decorative motifs often act as accents, attracting attention and highlighting areas. This will help keep the space from being boring, creating richness and diversity. Furthermore, motifs can generate positive emotional responses. For example, soft floral and leafy patterns can bring a feeling of peace and relaxation. This presence will make the space more lively, artistic, and interesting. This can increase creativity and joy in daily life. Curtains can be an important focal point, helping to highlight window areas and create harmony with other decorative elements in the room. Walls and curtains with neutral colors and suitable patterns can bring sophistication and elegance to increase the overall beauty of the space. The transition from dark to light tones not only highlights every detail in the room, but also creates a feeling of continuity and softness. This helps the space have both depth and visual expansion, making people entering feel luxurious and comfortable. Minimalism in design, perfection in interior details, and scientific layout created a spacious, gentle space, but no less luxurious and artistic. Different from the first style, it brings minimalism and lightness. This style will combine sophistication and luxury, creating an impressive and classy space. The main highlight of this style is the use of materials such as velvet, silk, and gold or silver-plated metals. Colors often lean toward neutral tones like gray, combined with bold colors like black to create contrast and elegance. Furniture in this style often has intricate designs and sophisticated. Nightlights, blankets, and wall art are also indispensable elements, contributing to creating a classy and noble space. Every detail in the room is carefully cared for, from the layout to the choice of accessories, all to bring a feeling of luxury and splendor to the living space. Different from minimalist style and noble luxury, rustic style often focuses on simplicity and closeness to nature. Therefore, rustic style will aim to create a cozy living space where people feel comfortable and relaxed. This is demonstrated through the use of natural materials, warm colors, and open design, helping to connect the interior space with nature outside. Rustic tree branches with natural lines and clear wood grain are used as highlights in the design. Rope, with its simple but strong texture, not only wraps interior details but also creates unique beauty. The combination of tree branches and ropes creates a realistic and wild feeling, as if nature is present in every small corner of the space. Both rustic and full of art, with unique details that not only bring warmth but also evoke a sense of peace for the space. It helps people connect more deeply with nature while honoring the simple, pristine beauty that nature bestows. Which of the 3 decoration styles above do you like best? Leave your comments below this video.